Want to give your photos a professional, misty, and cinematic look in just a few seconds? This easy Photoshop effect adds a soft glow and mist to the highlights, making your image look more atmospheric. Let's get started. First, go to Select Color Range. In the Color Range window, change Select to Highlights. Then adjust the range based on your image and how much of the bright areas you want to select. Once you're happy with the selection, click OK, then go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy to copy the selected highlights onto a new layer. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Then adjust the radius to control how thick and soft you want the mist effect to look. After that, change the layer's blend mode to Lighten. Finally, adjust the opacity if you want to make the effect stronger or softer until you get the look you want. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can create a soft, misty, and cinematic effect that makes your photos look more professional. Try adjusting the Gaussian blur and opacity to create different styles, and don't forget to experiment with the settings for the best result.